let's talk about another important concept, that is abstract classes. Sometimes a class can only partially be implemented and you want to leave it to the subclasses to complete the implementation. In that case, use an abstract class with abstract methods. To declare a class or method as abstract, just add the keyword abstract in front of the class or method declaration. In the case of an abstract method, you must also leave off the body of the method. So let's see an example. So we have an abstract class A that has an integer x as the as one attribute, and a method called getX will return integer x. We also have an abstract void method called setX that takes one integer argument. And notice that this method does not have a body, so which means that it is an abstract method. The full implementation is left to the class that will implement this. So here's a class B that extends class A, and now we have the same void setX, so same function with the same name and same signature, takes an integer new x, and this time it will set x to new x. Alright, so now on our shape class, we're gonna see how we can make some abstract methods. So first, I'm going to remember we said that we're gonna assume the shape is a rectangle, but now we're not gonna assume that anymore. We're gonna say the area method area must be an abstract method, which means we're not going to implement it, but we're going to require every subclass to implement the area. So we also make sure that we precede class name with abstract as well. So that's a requirement. So now notice that triangle already implements it and circle already implements it. So the program should work so far, and there you go. So the area of few typos here, T1, it should be good now. Notice that now I'm going to create another subclass called rectangle, and this will extend shape. So if I rectangle, still width and height, everything should be the same, but however, if I go ahead and run this, I'm going to receive an error that says rectangle is not abstract. Rectangle is not abstract and does not override abstract method area in shape class. So it forces me to implement the area. So I can say double area, which will return with, see, get width times get height. All right, so you can go ahead and also build your constructors if not, but this will still work. Here. So the no, we didn't use it, we didn't test it, but when what we know for sure, the rectangle is the subclass of shape, and then we did implement the area.